So I just caught my thumbnail on something and it broke it about a 1/4 inch down. I don't want to leave it like that because it's gonna get dirt in it and grease and all the stuff that I normally do. So this is how I'm going to repair it. This is photopolymer resin used for a 3D printer, and I'm going to use it to patch up my nail. As soon as it is exposed to UV light, it hardens up, and so I'm going to use this little nail light that I normally use for 3D printing for actually to use on nails.
Have you done this before?
No.
Is this what's in nail polish?
That's part of what's in nail polish.
Nail polish?
Yeah.
Then I guess it'll be okay.
Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit at a time. I'll start off by putting some on the back, and then I'm going to hold it down. And then let's see what we get. Move this over so that you guys are centered.
Does it stink?
No. Now this stuff does have an exothermic reaction, meaning it heats up when it's exposed to UV light. I just have a little tiny bit, so looks like it's starting to do its job. You can see that I try to wipe it off and it's not going anywhere. Let's try to go further down. This time I'm going to use the Q-tip to hold it down. As you can see, holding it down with the Q-tip. That's where we're at. You can see that where I try to wipe it off, it's not coming off. Let's build it up a little more. Oh look, it's even hard on the Q-tip. Haha, let's use the other side. Oh yeah, that's a little bit too much. I can feel the heat on my thumb. There we go. Not so hot anymore. Got a couple high spots on there. You can see right there. We're going to file that down. Alright, so I filed it down, and you can see right here, this is where the main part of the crack went, right through there. And if I can use the light so that you guys can see the light shining on the crack, you can see that it's a solid piece now, right there. So nothing's going to get caught on it, and it's going to be just fine. My daughter was nice enough to bring me some Sally Hansen Color Therapy clear nail polish. So we're just going to apply a little bit of this as a clear coat. That way we smooth out any of the imperfections I left behind from sanding.
Now your nail is shiny.
Now my nail is shiny. Okay, there we go. Of course, on my left is the broken thumbnail. You saw how bad it was in the beginning. On the right is my 100% serviceable thumbnail. So the good part is it's going to stay in place. It's not going to get caught on anything. It's not going to get injured any further. It's just going to be nice and smooth and flat, and then I can trim it away as it grows out.